today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. This integration can be a game changer for managing your e-commerce operations, streamlining your sales and marketing efforts, and providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Let's dive right into the process. To start, ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account. This is crucial because accessing the right functions and settings requires authenticated access. Once you're logged in and settled, the first thing we'll do is navigate to the trial guide. The trial guide acts as a powerful roadmap, offering all the resources you need to kick off your form building process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and various tools available there, as these will aid you as you set up your integration. Next, head over to your homepage in HubSpot. From here, you'll want to locate and click on Marketplace. The HubSpot Marketplace is your gateway to a plethora of applications and integrations, which include extensions like Shopify. By clicking on HubSpot Marketplace, you're opening your options to enhance the functionality of your current software setup significantly. In the Marketplace, direct your attention to the search bar. Type in Shopify, and this will narrow down the vast options to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Upon locating Shopify in the search results, click on it. This will bring up a detailed page where you can review the integration's features and benefits thoroughly. Taking the time to read through these details is essential. It gives you a comprehensive overview of what you can expect from this integration and any specific functionalities that may be particularly beneficial for your business needs. Once you've reviewed all the pertinent information and are satisfied, the final step is straightforward. Click on Install. Upon clicking Install, follow the prompts that appear on your screen to seamlessly finalize the integration of HubSpot with Shopify. These prompts will guide you through any necessary configuration settings to ensure a smooth, customized setup. Remember to take each step slowly if you need to. The process is designed to be intuitive. However, if anything seems unclear, HubSpot's resources and support team are there to assist you. By following these steps, you'll effectively bridge the capabilities of HubSpot and Shopify, thereby enhancing your ability to drive sales, manage customer relationships, and fine-tune your marketing strategy, all from a unified platform. And there you have it. You've just integrated HubSpot with Shopify, paving the way for enhanced engagement and operational efficiency in your e-commerce business. Thank you for joining me today, and happy integrating.